The V&L Ranch. The V&L Ranch is located in northwest Nebraska near the town of Crawford. The ranch consists of 1,800 acres and a set of building improvements. The ranch is characterized by rolling grasslands and timber draws. The grasslands provide excellent production. The west side of the ranch is primarily grassland and timber draws, while the east side contains approximately 500 acres of CRP. The ranch is watered by wells, both windmill and electric, as well as a reservoir. The CRP and grasslands provide income to the ranch operation, and the timber draws provide habitat for mule deer and elk hunting. The V&L Ranch is a complete operation, an older home and metal Quonset hut. Please contact us regarding your interest in the V&L Ranch.